Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I'm going to discuss the Bitcoin price action, where we are right now still trading in this significant falling wedge like we discussed yesterday. And as well, we are going to discuss way more things here, because we are going to discuss and reveal the current momentum behind all the Bitcoin price action right now here, to determine if we're going to see the market either moving up or down from here on. As well, we're going to go over the 1 hourly candles to discuss this important level of support. We will be going over the momentum on the 1 hourly candles, and of course we are going to talk about the bigger picture trend here on the 4 hourly candles, and on this very significant retracement back towards the 0.5 here in the Fibonacci on the 46.8k here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure that you are going to right away smash up that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure that you're going to hit that subscribe button as well to this channel, because if you're going to do so, you will be not missing out on any of these updates here on this channel. So with this out of the way, let me start off right away right now with discussing the imminent short term on the 1 hourly candles before moving to the significant pattern here on the 4 hourly candles. So let me go right away into the video here. So what you can see right now here is, of course, Bitcoin decrease. And yesterday in our update video, we were telling to every single one of you guys that I was trying to open a trade over here, and that of course I as well was anticipating this level over here, the 46.7 towards the 46.9k, to be extreme strong support. And the reason why I was saying so is, if I'm going to look back to the past here, I can even extend it further on. You can see over here, we got a very significant correction, and of course support, resistance, support. And I adjust these horizontal levels. They are very easy to spot, but they are very important and very significant, because you want to be looking at these levels for sure to, of course, maybe start to accumulate around these zones, or maybe to find some very strong support on. So that's the reason why I adjusted that level yesterday. And right now I want to be paying attention as well towards the next levels, and where Bitcoin is right now heading towards on the imminent short term here. So it looks to be that we were forming a resistance line here towards the upside. Right now we broke through it, and we are even finding support on it on the 1 hourly candles. It looks like very significant resistance, like you can see over here. We got rejected. Of that, we got rejected, and even more wicks on the top side were getting created off this level. And right now, just 1 hour ago, we of course increased in valuation. We retested this level on the 1 hourly candles, and right now we already starting to create a wick on here. And I personally definitely think that we could be seeing a very significant increasement back towards the 48.5k before really blasting off towards different targets here. So personally, I anticipate a minor move towards the upside for Bitcoin. The reason why here is because if we're looking to the momentum right now here, it looks to be that Bitcoin on the 1 hourly candle is gaining back strength here. You can see the RSI is increasing. Of course, the prices are not necessarily increasing, but this is telling me, okay, we are right now seeing the buyers getting shrink back in the market, and the buyers are regaining the power right now as well. If I'm going to go to the MACD, you can see here we are seeing, let me make it a little bit smaller so we can all see it. We can see right now as well in the histogram and in the trend line over here that we are forming higher lows here on the MACD, and the price section of Bitcoin still going lower. So we are forming several bullish divergences right now here, and we're as well seeing that the momentum from the buyers is increasing once again here. So as well, if you're going to look at the money flow, you can see momentum is increasing. There's more money flowing in towards the market, and the buyers are regaining right now the strength here on the 1 hourly candle. So that is, of course, very important to know here. We are seeing, of course, we are going sideways here for the past 24 hours, but the buyers are regaining the strength right now. But still, there are a lot of things that I want to be getting careful for. So let me right now discuss the 4 hourly candles. So looks to be that the 1 hourly candles could be increasing from here on, but if we're going to discuss the 4 hourly candles, we are as well seeing a very significant reversal pattern. You can see right now that we are clearly still in an uptrend right now for Bitcoin, and we have been forming higher lows along the way up here, and we have still been forming showing the significance of this important upward sloping support line. So already 3 touch points, and we have been getting supported every single time by this level. So it would be very likely to assume that we're once again going to start to move towards the upside, since we are right now clearly in an uptrend, of course, for Bitcoin. So yeah, is it likely to increase from here on? I'm right now going to discuss it, since over here we formed the exact same pattern of a falling wedge. This was also a reversal pattern. We were going in a minor downtrend on the 4 hour. We move up once again. Right now we're forming literally the similar pattern once again here, and we could be once again starting to break towards the upside from here on. It will be very likely, at least to assume here, but let me right now discuss this in more detail. So first of all, I want to be saying the weekend is right now coming. So always once this weekend, you want to get extremely careful. And in the weekends, we could be maybe see a lot of manipulation, and that could be for sure, yeah, cause some problems right now here. So yeah, let's see how this will be ending. But for sure, I do expect that we could be seeing a move towards the upside. But I mean, a move towards the downside is also definitely not out of the books. So if you want to be trading this, I either should be opening a trade here in this pattern, a long position, of course, if we're going to see a bullish diverge playing out here on the 4-hourly candles, or if we're going to see a breakout of this pattern and then on the retest. So there are several setups that you could be right now taking to open this trade over here. And for a divergence, I would love to see, of course, the MACD or the sorry, not only the MACD, but the MACD and the money flow and the RSI show me a buying signal. But right now, of course, if we're looking to the MACD here, I'm getting already pretty exciting. So right now, what it looks to be is that, of course, we formed a clear lower low here in the price action. But the MACD is a momentum indicator, of course, is forming a higher low in the histogram, telling me that these sellers are getting exhausted and that we could be starting to see a trend reverse from here on. And like you can see right now here, if I'm going to remove all the drawings over here, you can clearly see we have been right now being in a downtrend, and this MACD divergence is signifying right now is that we are going to see a trend reversal and that we are going to start to move towards the upside once again. So that is maybe a thing that we should be paying attention towards, and that is also a thing that is making me feel pretty exciting. And if you want to be trading this as well, make sure that you're already going to go below the video here. You can be signing up with Bybit, because this is the leverage exchange where you could be trading Bitcoin with a leverage. So make sure that you're going to sign up right now here, since they're as well going to give you a $3,000 Bitcoin deposit bonus. And if you're going to sign up right now here through my link, you could be as well participating in my competition that is going to come up anytime soon here, because I'm going to do a trailing challenge from 50k towards 100k, or from 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoins, and that will be coming up anytime soon here. So make sure that you're going to pay attention, because this is going to be a very, very significant and very, very interesting, especially challenge that we are going to do here on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed already to the channel to not miss out on this challenge, and as well, make sure that you're going to follow me here on Twitter at RoverCSC, so you're of course going to stay aware on the next trade that we're going to take. So it's probably going to be a 1 towards 2 Bitcoin trading challenge. You could be joining me as well with whatever amount you want to be joining me with, since I'm going to be completely transparent on YouTube and on Twitter. And if you're right now going to follow me, you're definitely going to not miss out on this move. And if you're right now as well sign up with Bybit, you will be having the exact same digits as me, so you will be not getting fooled by a wrong stop loss or whatsoever. So make sure that you're going to check it out already. It's going to be pretty important. So yeah, Bitcoin looking very, very strong right now. And to, of course, give you a time indication, when will I be starting this trading competition? I will be trying to start this trading competition on the next major opportunity I'm getting here to trade Bitcoin towards the upside. Probably I will be not trading it short, because this is going to be, of course, a bigger position that we're going to take. And I will be probably using a 10 towards 15x leverage here. And I will be I will be keeping you guys up to date about what I'm exactly going to do here. I hope to reach this 50 towards 100k trade in approximately 1 or 2 weeks maximum. I definitely think it's possible. And if you want to be joining me, you just want to be staying up to date here on the channel. You just want to be hitting that subscribe button, since I will be announcing it on this channel once I'm going to open this position in my title of my video. So if you ring the bell notification, you will be always seeing so. So yeah, it looks to be Bitcoin is moving up in a very healthy trend towards the upside right now on the parallel channel here. As soon as we're going to break below this important level of support, we are going to see lower price targets getting reached here, and we're absolutely going to crush the market back towards the 40k. And personally, for my trading challenge, I would love to see Bitcoin retracing back towards the 40k here, since the 40k is going to be an extreme important level of support. And retrace back towards that level will be getting a lot of people worried. Well, it will be just making me feel like I am having a major opportunity. So I'm looking forward towards that, and I definitely can't wait to see how this will be ending. So let me right now as well discuss the final part of this video and the final part of this update video, and that is, of course, Bitcoin here on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. So looks to be that Bitcoin, of course, is retraced right now towards the 0.5 in the Fibonacci, and this is a very major level of support. And you can see yesterday we, of course, exactly touched this level, and today we're already bouncing from it. It will be very important to hold on towards this level, since previously we got very much rejections by this level, and as well we got very well supported by it. So yeah, if I'm seeing today's candle closing below the 46.5k, 46.6k, we'll be getting pretty worried right now, and it will be looking maybe towards accumulating back towards the 42.5k, since this will be the golden pocket in the Bitcoin Fibonacci chart here. So I will be looking forward towards seeing a retracement back towards this level over here. before really moving up towards new optimizer here. So looking forward towards that opportunity. Definitely can't wait to see how this is going to end here. I will be trying for sure to share everything and all the details with you guys. And yeah, we just want to remain a little bit careful, because the reason why I'm right now the reason why I'm right now not opening my training challenge here is because trading on this time right now is too risky, in my opinion. Right now trading is, of course, it's a good decision to do so, but it's too risky for me to open this trading challenge, because this is going to be a trading challenge that I want to be getting to the finish line, right? I'm not going to start a challenge that I'm not going to get here. So the reason why I'm right now waiting ever so slightly here is because Bitcoin is looking too scared. Bitcoin is still looking too scary to trade right now. And sometimes it's just better to stand on the sidelines. And right now, it is the time to stand on the sidelines, in my opinion. And maybe I'm going to open a minor trade today on Ethereum, like I announced on my Twitter page. But it will, I mean, I don't know for sure what I'm exactly going to do right now, but it looks to be that Bitcoin is extremely dangerous on the daily candles right now, since, like you can see, we have discussed it several times here, we are forming right now a bearish divergence on the RSI. We are forming a trend reversal signal right now on the MACD. We are as well forming a trend reversal signal. And let me get the money flow once again in front of the screen here. On the money flow, we are seeing the buyers losing extreme amounts of strength right now in the market. And this is making me feel that we are going to see a move towards the downside. So make sure that you're not getting fooled. Make sure that you're not always buying the top here, because yeah, definitely, if you're not owning any Bitcoin, you want to be buying for sure, but I will be for sure wait a little bit longer to accumulate more Bitcoin, since right now I personally do expect a major correction in the Bitcoin market before moving up, because we have to shake out the weekends. That's just how the market works here, and I've been repeating myself over a few days here right now. We have been moving down since I've of course called that I sold 20% of my portfolio, and right now I've still not been buying back into our set completely. So I did dollar cost average already a little bit in towards the market, but for sure I will be trying to catch the 42 towards 44k here as my main accumulation zone for the things I sold on the 50k, of course. So looking forward towards doing that. But guys, this was already it for today's update video. Make sure that you're going to smash up the like if you want to be seeing another update video later today, and of course make sure to smash up the likes to help me to push crypto content further towards more people, because the more people are going to like this video, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.